So this is our conveyor belt style dish machine. And how it works is you take these dish racks, load it up with dishes, push it through, and it catches on each of these grooves and sends it through like a conveyor belt. Before we turn it on, we need to do a couple things. On the inside are two drains, one on the left, one on the right. So, can't really see it, but you just gotta drop those down. It's hard to see, but you need to drop those down. That's what keeps the water in, and that's what's gonna prevent us from losing all of our nice soapy water in rinse aid. After that, we need to close the machine. So there's a little lever here. We're gonna press that in and let this fall. Last thing we have to do is find the on switch. Hey, we found it. So here's the master switch. We're gonna push it away from us. That turns on the machine, and you'll be able to hear that water start running. And then whenever we're done for the day, we'll do those exact steps in the opposite order. So we'll kill the machine, open this up, and then very carefully, we'll open up the drains. If we reach in there too quickly, or we're not super careful, we'll splash 180-degree water onto ourselves. And that is ripping hot. That can genuinely cause third-degree burns. So please be very careful. So we pull those up. That lets those drain. And we're just going to leave this open. That'll help the compartment cool down all by itself. Lastly, we want to check the grease trap. We want to make sure that this is free of any residue. If there's any sort of like gunk or bacteria, we'll knock it into the trash can, wash it in the 3-compartment sink, and then place it right back in this slot. This is where the soap is. This is a powdered dish detergent. So every now and then, check to make sure that there's a little bit of powder left in here. So down here, we have 3 important components. We have our all-temp rinse aid, we have our water softener, and then we have our water heater. What the rinse aid does is it just prevents our dishes from coming out super streaky after they come out of the dish machine. Our water softener, if you've ever heard of hard water, it just means that it's really high in mineral content and sediment. So this helps prevent that. There are little salt tablets that go in there. So before the beginning of the year, we just need to make sure that that's filled up with salt tablets. And then this is our water heater. We just need to make sure that it is turned on and set at 185. You just press this little on-off button right down there. That turns it on. All right, last thing we need to cover is the garbage disposal. This thing is very, very dangerous. It has the potential to take off not only a finger, but your whole hand if you are not super duper careful around it. So first off, general rule of thumb, no pun intended, we want to keep all hands and extremities away from this hole, nowhere near it, whether it's on or off. So if we want to use this, all we have to do is come down here. There's this lever. If it's to the left, it is off. If it's to the right, it's going to start sending a flow of water that helps kind of push any food and residue down the channel, and then we can engage. So we'll press the green button, and that engages the machine. When we're using this, what we want to do, we can move this, and then with the squeegee, we can safely bring stuff towards the hole. Very safe. It is. And then to turn it off, we just press the red button, and then we turn this to the left. And that's it.